विमा भरपाई. एखादा अपघात होऊन आपल्याला इस्पितळात जावे लागले तर विमा कंपनीकडून पैसे मिळतात. चला तर पाहूया असंच एक संभाषण. सागर आत्ताच रुग्णालयातून परत आला आहे. त्याला आपल्या आरोग्य विम्यासाठी अर्ज करायचा आहे. त्याचा मित्र करण हा विमा एजंट आहे. त्याच्याबरोबर तो याविषयी चर्चा करत आहे.
Hi Karan.
Hi Sagar. So you're back from the hospital now. Nice to see you. How are you feeling now?
I came from hospital a week ago. I'm fine now.
Thank God you are safe and good as before.
Yes, by God's grace I'm okay now. Hey, but do you remember I have taken medical insurance policy from you?
Yes, of course.
I want to claim for insurance. I was in the hospital for 15 days.
Why did you not use the cashless scheme?
My brother told me not to go for it. So I paid my bills and now I want to go for it.
No problem. Have you kept all the invoices intact?
Yes, I have made a separate file for it. It has all my reports, medicine bills, hospital bills, everything.
Don't worry. I will look into the matter personally. You will get all the claimed amount.
How much time does it take?
I think you will get the check from the insurance company within 15 days.
I hope the case will be trouble-free.
Don't worry at all. I'm here to handle everything.
Thanks, Karan. I think I should leave now.
No way. I won't let you go without having dinner.
Some other day, please.
I will not agree to any reasons. We are celebrating for your health. Don't say no.
Okay. You will never change. Huh? Let's go.
मोटारींचे दुकान. आपल्याला नवीन गाडी खरेदी करायची आहे तर त्यासाठी एखाद्या मोठ्या शोरूममध्ये आपण जाऊ. चला तर. राजला एक नवीन गाडी खरेदी करायची आहे. एका दुकानात तो विक्रेत्याबरोबर चर्चा करत आहे.
Good morning, sir. May I help you?
Hi, good morning. I'm looking out for a new car.
We are the authorized dealer for Tata Motors. What's your choice, sir?
I would like to go for an Indica.
Very nice. Tata Motors has recently launched the new Indica Vista. Would you like to have a look at it?
Yeah, sure.
Let me tell you something about the car. This car has 1.3 liters quadrajet diesel engine with 4 cylinders and 5-speed manual transmission. Above all, you get power steering, power windows and a powerful AC.
Looks interesting. What is the fuel tank capacity?
37 liters. You can go up to 20 kilometers in one single liter.
I want Arctic silver color. Is it available?
Definitely, sir. You will get it. Would you like to take a test drive first?
No, it's okay. I've already decided on this model.
Very well, sir. We'll complete the formalities then.
Sure.
The ex-showroom price is 4,99,661 rupees.
What are the payment terms?
Are you willing to take a loan for this one?
Yeah. Which bank are you attached with?
HDFC, sir. It has the lowest interest rate. All you have to do is pay the 1 lakh as the initial payment and the rest is easy installments.
I want minimum 5 years EMI scheme.
Okay, that can be done. For that, you need to complete these formalities.
When will I get the delivery?
Day after tomorrow for sure, sir.
I hope you will complete all the registration process.
Don't you worry, sir. You can trust me. Before I give you the car, everything will be cleared.
Do you need any papers for the loan formalities?
Yes, sir. There is one list. Here.
Okay. Tomorrow I'll give you the check and the other papers. But make sure I get the Arctic silver color.
Definitely, sir. You don't have to worry about anything. Just go for it.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Great day, sir. See you tomorrow as well. Thank you.